Welcome back everyone, my name is Janet aka PerkiPerkins. Today on my channel I'll be doing the mystery box unboxings for both the $25 mystery box, which was the For Your Eyes Only, and then the $75 box, which was the Stoner Mystery Stash. So if you're interested in finding out what items came in the mystery boxes, make sure you guys keep on watching. Welcome everyone. So I'm really excited because I'm going to be able to do the unboxing for the February mystery boxes, and that's how I'm kind of considering it, the February mystery boxes, because just before Valentine's Day in the Super Bowl game, Milk Cosmetics sent me an email, with the mass emailer stating that they were releasing boxes, the $25 box and the $75 box, and they're basically supposed to have like 3 times the value, which I thought was really cool. But I placed the order for this mystery box, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm concerned. I am very, very concerned. This is a very small box. Look at this. This is a very small box. And it's supposed to have 2 boxes. When I received the December boxes, that was a decent box, at least double the size and a good amount of product, and it was packaged very, very well. So if you're curious to find out what I got and to see if these are really worth, if whatever they sent me here basically is worth $100, make sure you guys keep on watching. But before I go any further, don't forget, you guys, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. This way you guys don't miss any future uploads. And also, I would greatly appreciate if you guys do end up liking the video or liking any of the products. I hope you guys can give my video a little like and leave me a comment. And also, as a reminder, I do have an active giveaway, so I'll make sure to link it in the cards and down in the description. And commenting in this video is considered as an extra entry. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna stop talking and let's unbox what's in here, because I want to cry. This is so small. So for once, I have my scissors ready to unbox, because seriously, because the package came today. I was not expecting it. When I received the shipping, I thought it was just the tracking number. It said, then I saw again, it said delivered. I'm like, oh. So I ran to my mailbox and sure enough, it was there. And if you guys like the makeup look, stay tuned, because I am reviewing the Kosas foundation along with the KVD new Good Apple concealer. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Let's open her up. So this is how the box looks. When it comes to presentation, it's nice. Again, my gripe right now, you guys, is the fact that I purchased 2 boxes and they jammed, most likely, because this is what they did in December. They jammed both boxes inside. Being that we are purchasing 2 boxes, they should keep them separately. To an average consumer, they will just be feeling like they're being cheated. Enough of ranting. I'm so sorry. I do apologize. So I received one of the Mariposa stickers, which I did get one last time as well. Little tissue paper. I almost took an eye out. So just as the FYI, it does look like maybe they did bundle 1, bundle 2. So hopefully that's the case. So I'm pulling out the first baggie. So this is how it's packaged. They should make these bags a little bit bigger, just so that, they could be more secured, because if we would have bounced around a bit, it would have been probably damaged. So again, this right here is the first palette, and based off the size, I'm assuming this is the $25 bundle. So if anyone is curious, the $25 box is currently sold out, but the $75 box is still available. So just so you're aware, this beautiful palette. I'm already loving the packaging. The colors look really cool. This is one palette that was on my list, you guys. I love these beautiful neutrals, oranges, terracottas. And I personally appreciate how this has primarily matte shades, and it looks like only 2 shimmers. I'm gonna post on my community tab and on Instagram a picture of the palettes I've received recently, and I'm gonna ask you guys, what would you guys like me to create a tutorial on? So okay, I'm happy. I'll shut up now. Now here are the other goodies I received. This is called the Metal Bond Gel Liner. These retail for $22. Now I'm trying to get better at like liquid liners and stuff, and my daughter's actually teaching me, so this is gorgeous. I cannot wait to try it. I seriously. Ooh, this is called the Liquid Set Lipstick. This is the X shade, like your ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, whatever. I love this. I like the fact that it has a little window so you can see the color of the lip product, and you can see how far down in the tube it is. And even where it says melt, it's a see-through window. It's a nudie brown with more of an orange, like terracotta base. I'm obsessed. And it has kind of like a sweet smell, but not your typical like cake batter and stuff. I think I'm going to become a Melt Cosmetics fanatic after this. Like, seriously. So this right here is their all day, everyday eyeliner. This retails for $17, and honestly for liners, that's not bad. So this is like a white shade called Porcelana. This is very creamy, and it does have a little bit of like a sheen or a glitter. Oh, nice. And this is a lip liner actually. So this is the Ultra Matte Lip Liner in Ambrosia or Ambrosia. I'm probably butchering it either way. This is a red tone I don't have. Kind of like, this is more of that pinky leaning, like the red blues. I always appreciate like a nice lip liner. I'm very picky with lip liners. I have loads of lip liners, and if I don't like it, I just won't use it. Now this is their bullet lipstick, and it's called Last Kiss. It says Last Kiss Ultra Matte Lipstick. So this is a very nice black kind of satin packaging. It has Melt's name raised on the etching, and when I pull it, it has a nice traction. We close it down. It's magnet. I hope you guys could see that. This has such beautiful kind of like prescriptive writing throughout the actual surrounding of the lipstick. And now I'm not swatching it. I need to take some nice pictures before I swatch this bad boy. So now I'm going to put the total retail value of the $25 mystery box on the screen. According to the website, when you purchase it, it says we'll receive $155, or that's the guaranteed retailed amount. Definitely, in my opinion, the best $25 I've probably ever spent. Now let's move on to the $75 package. So this little guy right here is that Canabis paraphernalia that they sent. That's why when you went in to try to purchase this a $75 bundle, the stash bundle, you had to click if you were 21 and over. Let's open her up. Okay, so forewarning, if there's any children possibly watching, skip it a minute, please. Skip it a minute. Parents, skip it a minute if you're offended by cannabis. But I have to share it. This is so darn cute. So they sent over like, this is not a high value item by all means, and I hope this is considered a freebie. I'm in the Bay Area. I'm born and raised in California, and my family is in the cannabis business, so people, I've seen plenty of these, okay? So, okay. But anywho, these probably run about 10 to 15 bucks. So I hope they don't try to say this is like super expensive. For those who smoke cannabis, that's a cute little addition, or just as a keepsake, you know, memorabilia, like, you know, for those who like to collect things from their favorite brand. So staying on trend, they sent us the Mary Jane palette. Now this one is super cool. I like how this is lifted. Look. A little ASMR moment. Sorry, I'll stop. So for the Mary Jane palette, this has a lot more shimmers It has actually 6 shimmers and 4 mattes. But for me, this is a very nice, neutral, everyday palette, which I can easily reach to. You have your standard matte shades, and then you have a couple pops of shimmer if you want to pizzazz your look like today I did. These are the Milk Cosmetics Shadow Play Blushing Lights. So these are basically like a blush highlighter situation, which I personally prefer. So here's the packaging, very simple. I will give it to them that it has a mirror, so that makes it very easy for me, especially if I need something, you know, to do my makeup really quick or touch-ups. This is dark. So this shade right here is called Fire Fury. Now, I do like berries. I do like berry tones, but being that this is a very dark berry and it's a powder, I'm not gonna touch it until I figure out if I'm gonna keep this or give it away. I'm stupid, you guys. So the product name is called Blush Light. This is called Blush Light. How is this a blush? So let me put it to the side and figure out what this is, but let's keep on going for now. Just as a FYI, Shadow Play is kind of like a multi-chrome, and it's supposed to have like a light shifting, and it's, according to the picture, it actually swatches out more of a green shimmer. So I need to definitely see some live swatches. I'm not big into highlighters in general, and just thinking that I'm gonna have like a green highlight, that's not my jam. So there's like a 90% chance, you guys, it's gonna go into a giveaway. So I'm gonna speed these up and I'm gonna open these all together. I got 2 more lip liners and 2 more eyeliners. These are interesting shades, to say the least. So this guy right here is called Latex, and it's a bluish tone. So this is called Latex. And this is a lip liner, by the way, not an eyeliner. I just did this. This is called Handcuff. And again, I'm the one that busted this. That one's more of a gray tone. These are definitely very interesting lip liner choices. Now, these 2 right here are eyeliners. I got RX Queen. It looks like they accidentally sent me 2 RX Queens, so I'm only going to swatch 1. Ooh, this is a cool shade. So this is more of a gray metallic. So you know what? I don't mind that. Though, since I did get a double, I'm just going to save it for a giveaway. Next, I got a liquid lipstick in Taupe. You know what? Normally, I don't do fun colors, but I want to experiment this year. I want to create some fun content. So here is a neat green. And St. Patrick's Day is almost coming. So you know what? It works with that lip liner. So we'll see what kind of looks I come up with. And then for the last 2 products in the box. Yeah, another metallic gel eyeliner along with a bullet lipstick. The bullet lipstick is called 710, and definitely you can tell this is from the Nudes collection. I'm back after a little break. My camera died on me and my backup battery had not charged, or I forgot to charge it. So as I was going, the next item was the lipstick. This is in shade 710. It's the Ultra Matte Lipstick. This is a nice nudie tone, and it has a little bit more of that orange, an orange brown, which I do like with a nice warm lip liner, like a warm brown. So again, once I take pictures, I will then do swatches. Now for my last item, this is also another Metal Bond gel liner. So typically the caps are kind of complementary to the shades, and this is a gray tone, and I could kind of tell that it's a gray tone. Now I don't want to break the seal, so I am not gonna open this up because I know for a fact I am not gonna keep this guy right here. I wouldn't know how to actually use this color for myself, at least. So I'm gonna save this and probably add it for a future giveaway. those are all the items I received in the Stoner Mystery Stash box or package. Personally, I actually, almost everything I feel was product wise, I feel like was really good. There's a couple items I won't be able to use, but honestly it's not a big deal in my opinion, especially since I'm going to be able to share it with you guys, or again, a family member. In reality, when you think about it and I think about it, that the value is still there, along with the amount of products that I received. Two beautiful palettes right there that covered the cost of the 2 boxes with sales tax included. So I absolutely feel that the boxes were an absolute win. For the green lipstick and the Out There lip liners, those will be a little tricky to use, but you know what, again, I mentioned I want to be a little bit more adventurous, so I'm going to try to find a way to use those and incorporate them into a video or a tutorial. Again, especially now that St. Patrick's Day is coming, Easter is coming, so there'll be opportunities to use them, and it'll be fun. But let me know what you guys think of the mystery boxes. Do you feel that they were worth the $25 or $75 cost? And if so, what was your favorite item that I received inside the boxes? Again, in my opinion, I definitely feel that they were worth the cost. As I'm filming this video, the larger $75 mystery box is still available. So if you are interested, I would highly recommend you guys picking it up as soon as possible. I don't see it lasting more than a few more days. I was honestly surprised that it was even still available right now. And if you made it this far, make sure you leave a comment and like the video. That makes it an extra entry for my active giveaway, which I have the giveaway link down below. And if you like my makeup, again, I will have the tutorial up here very soon. It should be the video after this, and I'll have all the products listed down below, which includes a foundation review. But thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you all take care, be safe, and I will catch you on the next one. Goodbye.
Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless.